Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner.
Alright, thanks for coming back to the corner today. I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror glass in your rear view mirrors on your car. Be on the driver's side rear view mirror. I have a hard time saying that for some reason. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's always the fun part, opening up the package. Kind of like a Christmas present. I had to order this from AutoZone. It was about $12 or $13. 24-hour delivery. I went and paid for it yesterday and it showed up today. So here it is. And they tell me it comes with double-sided sticky tape. So let's head on over to the car. Well, I guess I better open this up first. Then we'll head on over to the car and put her on, because I've already taken off the broken one. I'm just going to use a pair of tin snips to open this heavy plastic. And there's the double-sided tape. Got a old t-shirt here that I cut up for rags. Flip that over so I can... I might have to cut that. There we go. Now we'll take it over and put it on the car. This is the best part of the whole thing. Finishing it up. And it's kind of pressure sensitive, so applying pressure right where the tape is what you want to do. So, we'll have to get her all adjusted. Well, there it is, another simple fix right here on Pappy's Corner. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.